Today, producing a bottle of pure, delicious grape juice requires a surprisingly complex and carefully controlled industrial process.
In this video, we'll explore the entire journey inside a modern grape juice factory.
From freshly harvested grape clusters to professionally sterilized and bottled juice that meets international standards.
The sheer scale of the operation is immense. Here, advanced robotics and human expertise converge to create a seamless flow of production.
Cleanliness is paramount in our process. These stainless steel lines are meticulously prepared, awaiting the arrival of the finest grapes.
Through these complex systems of valves and gauges, the raw product is transformed under carefully monitored conditions, ensuring peak efficiency.
A testament to quality, bottled at the peak of perfection. Vineyard's best, naturally refreshing. The journey begins with the raw fruit.
Once harvested, the grapes are swiftly transported to the processing facility. Hydraulic forklifts carefully empty the massive.
Grapes are usually harvested early in the morning to maintain freshness and preserve natural sugars.
Once they arrive at the factory, each batch undergoes strict quality checks. Checks for freshness and sugar level crow.
Also, the skin condition and absence of bruising are crucial.
Bruised or damaged fruit is immediately discarded, ensuring only the finest grapes reach the consumer.
Only grapes that meet the required standards are transferred onto the processing line. Moving steadily along the conveyor, these vibrant grapes are now ready for the next phase of processing.
Every cluster undergoes a secondary visual inspection, ensuring only the finest quality grapes continue down the line. The bulk grape transfer is a delicate operation. We rely on these specialized conveyors to move thousands of pounds of fruit.
Maintaining the integrity of the fruit is paramount, as evidenced by these pristine specimens moving along the belt.
The journey begins here, as the freshly harvested grapes are introduced to the primary washing chamber. Here, the next step is cleaning. Grapes first pass through a vibrating conveyor to remove leaves, twigs, and field debris.
Then they enter a multi-stage washing system. Freshwater spray.
High-pressure water jets ensure a thorough cleaning process, aggressively removing any residue from the delicate fruit.
Air bubble baths follow to gently clean the grapes.
Optional ozone or ultrasonic cleaning further enhances cleanliness. Using high-frequency sound waves, the ultrasonic cleaner creates millions of tiny cavitation bubbles that gently scrub the surface of. These methods effectively remove dirt and reduce microorganisms on the skin. The grapes begin their journey here, passing under these specialized air blowers, which gently remove excess moisture before the next stage.
Finally, advanced AI cameras inspect each grape, automatically rejecting any damaged or undersized berries.
Here, the AI swiftly identifies a subtle blemish. A quick, precise pneumatic action removes the flawed grape.
A continuous stream of perfectly sorted, vibrant grapes moves along the conveyor. The natural lighting highlights. Here we see the comprehensive sorting line in action. High-pressure air jets remove debris before the materials reach. The vibrating conveyor system efficiently separates the usable materials from the organic debris, channeling the stems and. This crystal-clear stream represents the final stage of purification. Flowing into these sterile tanks, the water. To ensure the highest quality, the grapes undergo a rigorous multi-stage cleaning process. Beginning with utilizing advanced digital imaging and machine learning, the system meticulously scans every berry, identifying imperfections invisible to the human eye. These emerald gems are meticulously cleaned and ready for the next phase of packaging. We ensure only the freshest grapes make it to your table. This is the crucial next stage, the destemming area. Here, the meticulously harvested grapes are separated. The grapes have now reached the end of the line. Perfectly clean and sorted, they are ready for the final stage of preparation before shipment. The sorting process ensures only the most pristine fruit continues on the line, capturing the essence of the harvest. Once clean, the grapes enter a destemmer, a machine that separates the berries from their stems. This cutaway view illustrates the process. The rotating paddles spin rapidly inside the perforated drum. Utilizing precise mechanical movements, the system efficiently isolates the stems, directing them onto a separate belt for waste management. Once destemmed, the pure berries tumble onto the conveyor belt, ready for the next stage of fermentation. The berries are then gently crushed using soft rollers. The journey begins with the gentle crushing action of the soft rollers. This precise mechanism ensures the skins are broken. This breaks the skins but keeps the seeds intact, preventing bitter tannins from contaminating the juice.
This macro view provides clear proof the seeds remain entirely intact within the flowing mash, a testament to the careful handling of the fruit.
Once the grapes arrive, they are immediately transferred to the destemmer crusher. This machine separates the stems.
The resulting mixture is known as grape mash.
The destemmer is the first step in ensuring quality. By meticulously monitoring the process, the technician controls the...
Here we see the result of the initial crush, the grape mash. It is this intricate mixture of skins, seeds...
Next, the meticulously sorted mash is fed into the pneumatic press, where controlled pressure will delicately extract the finest quality juice.
The mash is pumped into a pneumatic press.
This press uses air pressure to squeeze out juice evenly without crushing the seeds. The extracted juice then passes through a coarse filter to remove larger particles.
As the pulp flows over the vibrating screen, the coarse filter catches the thick residue of skins and seeds, separating them from the clear juice below,
preparing it for further purification.
This wide shot showcases the scale of the pressing stage, the synchronized action of the hydraulics and the
Precision is paramount in the operation of the hydraulic press. Through careful monitoring and subtle adjustments, the press gently releases, showcasing the perfectly dry cake of skins and seeds.
Once the pressing cycle is complete, the dry, spent pomace, consisting of skins and seeds, is discharged onto a waste conveyor belt. The clarified juice, now free of impurities, flows into the holding tank. This deep, uniform color indicates a successful filtration process. This clean and highly organized environment is where raw materials are transformed. The hydraulic presses, guided by...
At this stage, the grape juice flows through fine membrane filters. This diagram illustrates the microfiltration process. As the liquid passes through the semi-permeable membrane,
These systems remove tiny particles, yeast, and bacteria,
resulting in a clear, bright, and naturally colored liquid.
Welcome to the heart of the facility, the fine filtration room. Here, precision and sterility are paramount. The juice is now ready for sterilization.
To ensure safety and shelf stability, the juice must be sterilized.
There are two common methods. First, pasteurization.
heated to 75 to 90 degrees Celsius for several seconds.
This method retains more natural aroma and is ideal for fresh or short shelf life juices.
The second method is UHT sterilization, heated to 130-150 degrees Celsius for 2 to 4 seconds. This process eliminates all harmful microorganisms and is suitable for commercial bottled products. With sterilization complete, the grape juice is now microbiologically safe.
After sterilization, the juice enters this cooling section. The temperature is quickly lowered by the heat exchangers.
The sterilization process is critical. Maintaining a sterile environment is paramount. As you can see, our state-of-the-art sterilization area versatility is key when managing thermal energy. Here we see the intricate plate exchanger, followed by the highly adaptive shell and tube model.
To preserve the delicate balance of flavor and nutrients, the juice must be heated quickly and then immediately cooled.
After ultra-high temperature processing, the product undergoes rigorous microbiological testing to confirm commercial sterility.
The boiler pipes are the heart of the system, channeling superheated steam directly into the heat exchangers, converting raw energy into usable power.
Now fully sterilized, the grape juice is held in these aseptic tanks, patiently waiting for the bottling process. As the juice travels through the sterile pipeline, advanced sensors meticulously monitor its flow rate and purity.
In this highly controlled environment, the air is filtered continuously to prevent contamination.
The digital sensors embedded within the sterilization system provide real-time data, ensuring precise temperature. As the sterilization process completes, the heat recovery system captures the excess thermal energy. While gentle pasteurization reaches 72 degrees Celsius, UHT processing rapidly soars to 140. Sterilization complete, the juice now proceeds to the branching manifold, where it will be directed for final blending or further concentration. In some facilities, the juice may go through a vacuum evaporator to create grape juice concentrate.
This impressive vacuum evaporator leverages the latent heat of vaporization, efficiently separating the solid.
This reduces the water content, making transportation, storage, and export more efficient. The concentrated grape must, now a thick, viscous liquid, is pumped directly into these aseptic drums for storage.
The difference is clear. Standard juice is mostly water, while the concentrate has had the water removed, resulting in a much denser liquid.
The concentrate is meticulously stored in a climate-controlled environment, safeguarding its quality within these sealed drums.
Maintaining the delicate balance of vacuum levels and concentration ratios is essential for the high purity yield of the evaporator.
For ready-to-drink grape juice, the factory blends the sterilized juice to achieve a consistent flavor profile.
Common adjustments include balancing sweetness
and adjusting natural acidity.
Adding vitamin C as an antioxidant is also an optional step.
Welcome to the heart of the operation, the blending room. It is here, amidst these vast, polished tanks.
Scene 107. Quality control for taste.
All ingredients are strictly regulated to maintain product quality.
Here we see the homogenization process. By forcing the juice through these high-pressure nozzles, we achieve a perfectly smooth and uniform texture.
Here we see the smooth, perfectly blended grape juice filling this large holding tank, ensuring it is ready for the delicate bottling process.
Through the precise control of automated valves, the various juice streams converge here at the blending manifold, ensuring a perfectly consistent product. The finished blend is now ready for the final stage, bottling.
It travels through these polished pipes to ensure peak freshness and quality. As seen in the blending area, our commitment to hygiene is absolute. These pristine conditions are...
This is one of the most critical steps, aseptic bottling. Bottles are sterilized using hot water or purified steam.
Inside the sterilizer, the bottles are blasted with intense jets of pure steam, guaranteeing complete sanit.
Then dried with sterile air. The grape juice, still hot from sterilization, is filled into the bottles through a sealed, bacteria-free system.
Utilizing advanced sensor technology, the nozzle precisely measures the fill level, ensuring consistency across the production line before the bottles move on.
Caps are applied automatically, and each bottle receives its label and production code.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the high-speed conveyor ensures precise placement of the label, demonstrating the seamless integration of the production line.
A quick, precise laser application ensures the production code is imprinted clearly. This code is both traceable.
This is the aseptic bottling room, a highly automated environment where synchronized machinery ensures...
With precision engineering, the bottling line completes its cycle. Every bottle is filled, capped, and labeled, ready for distribution.
Before leaving the factory, every production batch undergoes extensive quality checks.
These include checks for color and clarity, as well as sugar level CRO.
Nutrient content and microbiological tests are also essential.
These plates confirm the absence of microbial growth, ensuring the safety of the juice sample. And finally, seal integrity.
Once approved, bottles are packed into cartons and moved into a temperature-controlled warehouse.
Here we see the synchronized ballet of automation. The robotic arms utilize advanced suction technology to precisely place the bottle.
The final stage involves securing the juice cartons with durable plastic wrap. Forklift operators then...
This state-of-the-art warehouse ensures that every pallet of grape juice is kept at the optimal temperature before shipment.
After rigorous testing, the system confirms final quality approval. The product is now certified and ready.
And that is the remarkable journey from fresh grape clusters to the pure, refreshing grape juice you drink every day.
A healthy start is vital for a growing family. Packed with essential nutrients, this juice provides the perfect
Notice the condensation, a clear indicator of the precise temperature required to achieve this refreshing clarity.
A modern process filled with precision, technology, and strict quality control. Bathed in the golden light of sunset, this complex symbolizes not just industrial achievement, but the relentless pace of progress.
If you enjoy industrial and factory exploration videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. We hope you've enjoyed this look into the future of industry. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us for more.